Choosing the right HVAC system for your project. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems provide the indoor climate control for both residential and commercial buildings. When it comes to this, one size does not fit all. As a matter of fact, HVAC systems can be quite complex. Determining the right type of system for your home or building is extremely important for the system to heat and cool effectively and to be energy efficient as well. HVAC systems come in many types and applications. They are classified as either central or local. The central air conditioning and heating system provides the necessary heating and cooling and ventilation from a central location in the building, such as from a boiler or furnace. It works by circulating heated water or steam through piping or ductwork to achieve heating and cooling. Central air conditioning units use a compressor and a condenser unit that uses a refrigerant or coolant such as Freon. The refrigerant is circulated through copper tubing. The refrigerant absorbs the heat, turns to vapor, travels to the compressor, and moves to the outdoor coil where the heat is forced out. Then the refrigerant passes through a device where it is converted to a low pressure, low temperature liquid and returned to the indoor coil. The cooled air is then circulated through the ductwork to provide cooling for the structure. Local HVAC systems are devices that provide heating and cooling to immediate areas or rooms. They do not circulate throughout entire structures. Local HVAC systems may include wood or pellet stoves, window air conditioners, and space heaters. Electric baseboards are also considered to be local HVAC systems if the unit is installed into a single area. Determining which HVAC system is right for you and your needs should be determined by an HVAC professional in order for you to get the maximum benefits from the system. A qualified and certified HVAC contractor will determine the type unit that is best for you and will install the unit in the proper place so that it will meet your cooling and heating requirements. Doc Savage Augusta Heating and Air offers the most reliable Augusta AC installation and repair services. We proudly serve all of the CSRA and offer our services at prices you can afford. Visit our website to find out about our latest specials pricing. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/George_Chapel/243066